I noticed that on your About page, you mentioned that you are a software developer, or at least that you major as a software development. That's very interesting. And you call yourself on your homepage UX designer. So there's a little bit of confusion there. I would fix that, and I would, depending on your goals, if you want to become a UX designer, which it seems to me, then you should put that you are a UX designer, full stack UX designer with background in software development. And call yourself like that on your LinkedIn, on your website, everywhere, on your social media, especially the social media that you share with companies when you're applying to those companies. On your resume as well, call yourself like that. You have to be very what's the correct word? You have to be clear and consistent on how you call yourself. So you should put your education. If you have education as a software developer, you should put it here on your About page, and as well in a short form, maybe in a sentence. Here, instead of saying that you're seeking for an opportunity, maybe just say on this section, delete the specific sentences and add the education that you have, so that way you can create more trust with companies. Going back to your About page, this is a section where you can add your resume. That's what I'm thinking. And I like that you have a link for companies to go and visit to your LinkedIn, which is pretty cool. On this About page as well, I would call yourself, or if I was you, I would call myself a UI UX designer, full stack UI UX designer with background in development, software development. So I see that you work on Best Buy, that you work on marketing teams, as a marketing manager. And here's your degree. You should make this degree more visible. Like, talk about it on your portfolio. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if this review was helpful. I didn't went through this case study, but everything I said on the other past 3 videos applies to this one. By the way, this is valuable. I would like to see more. Good luck, George. Hopefully there's valuable information for you. Another thing, this is very picky. As a designer, I think that's like too playful. I would just add my name. Something like that. Look, let me show you my portfolio. I just have very simple that as my logo or name. Good luck. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want more feedback, maybe jump on a call, or after you make these improvements, let me know. We'll be in touch, George. Everyone else who is viewing these videos, don't forget to subscribe, and let me know if you need help with your portfolio, if you need a portfolio review, or a resume review. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on TikTok.